Halloween is a fun time of year when everyone gets to dress up in costumes. I wouldn't personally do it because Jesus is Lord, but here we go. There are so many cool choices for costumes, and the best ones are often creative. Here are some popular ideas. One classic costume is a ghost. You can make one easily with a white sheet and some black markers for eyes, or just cut out the eyes in the in the cloth. Vampires are also very popular with their capes and their fangs, but don't forget the blood red lipstick. Superheroes are a big hit too. Characters like Spider Man, Wonder Woman, Batman let you feel powerful and brave. You can buy costumes or make your own using colored clothes and masks. If you like animals, you could be a cat or a dog. A simple outfit with ears and a tail can be very cute. Some kids even dress up as their favorite cartoon characters like SpongeBob or Pikachu or Shinglebamb. Now, for a spooky twist, witches and zombies are always fun. Witches can wear big hats and carry broomsticks. You know, some people are real witches in real life. I don't like them. While zombies can have torn clothes and face paint. All right. Whatever you choose, the best Halloween costume is the one that makes you feel excited and happy. So pick something you love and enjoy trick-or-treating with friends. But don't eat the candy. Throw it all in the garbage and go have some protein.